Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video you're going to learn when to use the prepositions of and to after an adjective. And if you find this useful, please hit like and why not subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. We'll start with adjectives that can be followed by of. And we use this structure of someone to do something. And we use this to describe someone's behaviour, so the way that someone is acting. These are some of the adjectives, and I'm just going to read through them so you can hear the correct pronunciation. Nice, kind, good, thoughtful, considerate, generous, polite, friendly, helpful, unkind, selfish, mean, cruel, thoughtless, careless, silly, stupid, daft, idiotic. And these can be positive adjectives like the ones in the circle, or also negative adjectives. Now let's look at some examples. It was kind of you to accompany me. It was thoughtful of him to buy you a present. It was cruel of her to say that. It was selfish of you not to help him. So in each case, we are describing somebody's actions or someone's behaviour, and we use the infinitive of the verb with to. Now, there are also quite a lot of instances of adjectives followed by of, where there's no particular rule or pattern, you just have to learn which ones they are. So we're going to take a look at some of those with no specific rule. So again, pronunciation: scared, frightened, afraid, terrified, jealous, envious, tired, sick, proud, ashamed, capable, incapable, aware, unaware, full, short, fond. Now, these four adjectives are synonyms: scared, frightened, afraid, and terrified. They all have the same meaning. Jealous and envious are also synonyms. Tired and sick are synonyms. Proud and ashamed, these are opposites or antonyms. Capable and incapable, also opposites. And aware and unaware are also opposites. So this could be one way to help you remember. Synonyms and antonyms often take the same preposition. So let's look at examples of all of these. So if you are scared of something, you can see how you feel. I'm scared of spiders. So this is true for me, unfortunately. She's frightened of clowns. Another common fear that people have. I'm not afraid of heights. So heights, that is how tall something is. Like if you were standing on top of a tall building and you were afraid of heights, you would feel very scared. They're terrified of flying. So all these words have the same meaning. Jealous and envious. So again, synonyms, and if we look at the picture, we can see one man has a lot of money and the man next to him doesn't have any money and he's jealous. He wants what the other person has. So if you're jealous of someone, you want what they've got. He's jealous of his brother's success. I'm jealous of you for getting better grades. She's envious of her cousin's beauty. I'm envious of your new car. Tired or sick. So if you're tired of something or sick of something, it's something that annoys you. You don't like it at all. I'm tired of working so hard. So I work too hard and I'm annoyed by this and frustrated and tired. She's tired of the rain. So imagine it's raining all the time and she's tired of it. She wants it to stop. I'm sick of having no money. We're sick of his bad attitude. Proud and ashamed. So these are opposites. If you are proud, you feel good about something, often proud of yourself. So you did something good and you feel very pleased with yourself. You can also be proud of someone else because they've done something very good. And the opposite is ashamed. So this is how you feel if you have done something bad or shameful. You feel ashamed of yourself. Or you can be ashamed of somebody else if their behavior has been very bad. I'm proud of myself for passing my exam. She's proud of you for being brave. I'm ashamed of myself for not studying enough. They're ashamed of their bad behavior. Capable and incapable. So these are also opposites. If you are capable of something, it means that you can do it. And if you're incapable of something, it means that you can't do it. So if we look at the picture there, this person is incapable of playing darts or incapable of hitting the bullseye. They can't do it. I'm capable of solving the problem. That means that I can solve the problem. She's capable of doing it herself. I'm incapable of making a decision. He was incapable of walking after the accident. So that means that he couldn't walk. He was not able to walk after the accident. Aware and unaware, also opposites or antonyms. So if we look at this picture, we can see first of all the man sees the hole and he jumps over it. So he's aware of the hole. If you're aware of something, then you know about it. You have knowledge of that thing. And in the second picture, the man is unaware. He doesn't see the hole. He doesn't know that there's a hole there, and he falls into it. We should all be aware of the risks of smoking. So that means that we should all know about those risks. Are you aware of the problem? I'm unaware of any complaints. So I don't know of any complaints. I haven't heard of any. I was unaware of the dangers. Now notice here that all of the examples are negative things, risks, a problem, complaints and dangers. So we use aware of or unaware of when we're talking about something that is negative, something dangerous or risky or problematic. Full. So we can see here that the gas tank or the petrol tank is full. The bottle was full of water. The shops are full of people. That lake is full of fish. The child's bedroom is full of toys. Short. Now, you've probably heard short as in the opposite of tall, but when we say short of, we mean that there's not enough of something. So if we look at this picture, the man is short of money. He doesn't have enough money. And in this one, the man is short of time. He doesn't have enough time. I'm short of money. Can you lend me some? She's short of time. She has to leave in 5 minutes. I'm short of breath. I need to sit down. So perhaps if you've been doing a lot of exercise, you feel short of breath, you can't breathe very well, and you need to stop. We're short of coffee. I need to buy some. And finally, fond. If you're fond of something, you like it, you think that it's good. I'm fond of you. She's fond of drawing. I'm not fond of snakes. They're not very fond of cats. So if you're fond of something, you like it, and if you're not fond of something, then you don't like it. Now let's look at adjectives followed by to. We can follow this with to somebody, and we use this to show someone's behaviour in relation to another person. So these are some of the adjectives that we can use, and the pronunciation: nice, kind, good, polite, friendly, unkind, mean, cruel, rude. Rude is the opposite of polite, and unfriendly. And again, we've got positive and negative adjectives. So let's see some examples. You should always be kind to people. The teacher has always been nice to us. Why are you being mean to her? Don't be so unfriendly to them. So adjectives followed by to and then a person. This is when we're talking about someone's actions or someone's behaviour in relation to somebody else. Another instance of adjectives followed by to is when an adjective is followed by a verb. So if we have adjective followed by verb, we always use the to form of the verb. And we're describing an action. It's nice to meet you. So you've probably heard that before. Nice to meet you, or sometimes people say, pleased to meet you. That's easy to learn. This is difficult to remember. I'm happy to help you. For more English tutorials, then why not head over to my channel? Got lots of videos on grammar, vocabulary, and also exam practice. And if you do like the content, then please hit like, and why not subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.